money in terms of business. Honestly. Okay? Yung 21.5, sabi ni Erwin, bulok na cellphone daw yan. Okay? So 21.5. But, what you're getting is actually products worth 21.5. So para ka lang bumili sa SM. Okay? Pero after nun, part ka na ng company. Ngayon, since hindi mo pa alam paano patakbuhin ng negosyo, bibigyan ka ng kumpanya ng training. Yung training libre. Okay, ulitin ko, no? Yung 21.5 o 12.6 products, yung training libre. Sa totoong franchise, baliktad. Pag nagbayad ka kasi ng franchise, let's say for example sa McDonald's, papadala ka nila sa McDonald's sa Hamburger University, mag-aaral ka for 1 year. Pagbalik mo dito, okay, magbabayad ka kay George Tan? Chang, yeah. ng franchise, okay, 20 million. Okay, tapos ikaw na bahala magpatayo ng store mo. Magbabayad ka pa rin doon, wala ka pang product. Pero dito, baliktad, libre na yung training. Yung product mo, libre na rin. Okay, tapos, paano ka mag-expand internationally? Doon ka magkakaroon ng global business ID. This one is unique per individual. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga partners namin dito, they can actually sponsor anyone across the globe, provided meron silang ID number. Okay? So that's the business. Now, if 15 to 30,000 is small, you can actually earn more by becoming an executive. As an executive, nakakatuwa, no? Kasi para siyang accelerated MBA. Because here in our company, we will teach you how to become an executive between 1 to 6 months. Parang sa job, Proby. Okay? Pwede tuturo namin sa inyo part-time paano mo siya gagawin effectively. Okay? And professionally. Now, as an executive, yung income mo mag-range between 30 to 70,000. So, bakit biglang lumaki? Because here, ang tawag na sa'yo, team leader. Ang goal mo kasi is to look for strategic partners. Not only you creating the sale, but looking for someone, okay, na pwede mong makapartner, na pwede mag-handle ng sale doon sa area kung nasaan siya. Okay? So, babayaran ka ng company ng group sales volume between 9 to 20%. Actually, malaki to. Because I have a friend, meron silang pwesto sa Gilmore, nagbibenta sila ng mga computer parts. That was 20 years ago. Sabi niya, yung magkaroon ka lang daw ng markup na 10%, malaki na. But, having 9 to 20% override commission, sobrang laki niya. Okay? So, that's executive. Now, darating ka sa point na you will spot a person in your organization na meron ding same values just like you, tapos gusto niya rin maging executive. Now, ito yung maganda sa negosyo natin. Pwede mong ituro lahat ng alam mo, in return, babayaran ka ng company for training that person. Pag nangyari yun, mapopromote ka as leader. Okay? So, you will Richard, sasabihin mo yung sikreto. Actually, yes. For most people outside, actually, they don't like the idea, especially Chinese people. Matita. Bakit? Kasi, can you imagine me teaching you everything I know, tapos tatabihan mo ako? Ang tawag sa'yo, competitor, di ba? But in this business, baliktad. The more people that you have, okay, the better your income. Bakit? Kasi sabi ni company, if you help one person to become an executive just like you, okay, this is your income. 40,000 naman. Passive residual income. So bakit passive? Kasi whether you like it or not, this income will go to you because that person that you created as a franchise will continue to do the business, whether you like it or not. Okay? By the way, the income that I'm going to show you is an audited income by PricewaterhouseCoopers. Okay? So these are the company that audits big companies abroad. Okay? So sa Philippines, ang partner natin dyan is Lalipana. Okay? Now, if you help 2 executives, 2 to 3, your income will be 70,000. Okay? If you help 4 to 5, your income will be 143,000. Oh, these are average. Pwedeng mas mataas, pwedeng mas maikse, or mas maliit. So, to become Ruby, sabi ni company, it will take you 1 to 2 years. Okay? I hit Ruby in 3 years. So, mabagal. Okay? But it's okay. Now, hindi yan dyan natatapos. Because if you help 6 to 7, your golden emerald, that's 280,000 per month. So, diamond, if you have 8 to 11, that's 400,000. Okay? So between Emerald to Diamond, that's 3 to 5 years. So my mentor who invited me in this business is currently a Diamond executive. He did it part-time in 6 years. Pwede na rin, no? 6 years. Okay, now the magic number is 12. If you have 12, you're called a Blue Diamond. Blue Diamond earns at the average 2.2 million. Nung una ko itong nakita, sabi ko, wow, is that true? Sabi nung speaker, actually, don't look at this as salary. Okay? Because no company will give you that much as a salary. But in a negosyo, is it possible na kumita ka ng 2.2 million kung negosyo yung pag-uusapan? Actually, it's very, very possible. Okay? Sa isang buwan, yes, passive. Okay? Because this will happen if you were able to help this much. 12 to 14 people. Okay? So, yung negosyo natin, walang pinagkaiba sa teacher. Okay? So, ang teacher sa Philippines, sad to say, maliit sweldo. Diba? So, kapag naging teacher ka dito sa negosyo, ito yung magiging income mo. Kasi those 12 to 13 or to 14 people are like your students na kapag gumraduate, pagdating nila sa labas at naging profitable sila, lahat ng income nila, di ba, meron kang 5% infinity. Or 5% for life. Di ba? Now, these are some of our Blue Diamonds. Nakakatawa na because this guy, his name is Daniel Laugan, he started when he was in his 3rd year in college. So, there are some critics na nagsabi na, naku, hindi yan kaya ng bata. Pero pinatunayan niya. Okay? He became one of the youngest Blue Diamond at age 28. This September 17, meron tayong i-award na mas bata na Blue Diamond. Okay? Mag-asawa sila. Yung babae, 23 years old. Yung lalaki, 27. They're just a new Blue Diamond. Let's say 1 million per month. Okay na rin ba yun? Passive income, di ba? Sir, kapag kumikita ka ng 1 million, you think your life will change? Siyempre, actually, ganun din sa akin. Now, these are the side effects of business. Okay? Number 1, magiging wealthy ka. Pero, / personal growth. Bakit mo yan dinagdag? Kasi, this is what I've learned. No? Hahabulin ka raw ng income kapag ikaw mismo nag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Ibig sabihin, kung ano man yung alam mo ngayon, di ba, mas maganda na dagdagan mo siya. Because in return, you'll become very, very wealthy. Okay? Second, is magkakaroon ka ng more time with the family. Okay? / lifestyle. This is what I want. Because, in my entire clan, no, both mother and father side, kwento ko na lang din. Yung mother ko, they're from Ilocos, 16 silang magkakapatid. Okay, yung tatay ko from Bicol, 7 sila magkakapatid. So, kami yung medyo okay kasi kami nakapag-aral. I want to provide, okay, more income doon sa mga extended families ko. Okay? So, that's what you call lifestyle. Third is stay young and healthy. Okay? Since maganda yung product natin, di ba? So, pag ginamit mo siya, sure yun. Di ba? Lalo kang babata at lalo kang magiging healthy. Okay? Yung last na side effect ng business is, since Blue Diamond ka na, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng significance. Kasi sir, kung nabanggit mo kanina na you want to help other people, sure ako na yun yung nasa puso mo. And the only remaining equation is if you really have enough to share. Now, since you're already a Blue Diamond, making 2.2 million, I'm sure sharing, let's say, 500,000 of that wouldn't hurt, tama? So that's what you call mission and significance. What do I want to tell you guys? Okay, the business is not all about money. Because I've seen people making more than what they're, kumbaga parang they want what they need. That's why nakakapagpaaral sila ng kamag-anak, alam mo, nakakapag-support doon sa simbahan, etc. etc. Okay? These are some of the pictures of our incentive trips. By the way guys, no, yung company natin, kapag nag-perform ka, bibigyan ka niya ng mga incentive trips. This is one of our incentive trips is in Australia. So 5-star accommodation. So, ang maganda dito, all expense paid. Okay? So, Australia, Vietnam, tapos na yan. Meron tayong bagong incentive trip. Gusto nyo bang malaman kung saan? Okay? Once you become part of this organization, pwede kang makasama sa Hawaii. You know Hawaii? Di ba? So, doon yung next na incentive trip natin. After the presentation, you can ask your friend kung paano mag-qualify. Okay? So, this is actually my last slide. No? Nothing happens without a dream. There are people na iniisip nila, kaya ko ba yan gawin? May edad na ako, etc. etc. Actually, this couple, they started when they were in their 50s. Actually, 58 to be exact. Okay? So, they're Japanese. Ginawa nila yung business sa Japan. So, what they got from the business is this house. This is a 17-bedroom house sa Mercer Island. Kapit-bahay nila si Bill Gates. Maganda yung bahay, di ba? Diba? 17-bedroom house. What's ironic is, they don't have a children. But there's an interview done. Sabi nila, why did you build this house? Sabi nila, two reasons. Number one is to show to people na it's possible through this business. And second, nothing happens without a dream.